Hey guys, today I'm getting my old tattoo covered up with a new one. I'm going to Reverent Tattoo. This is where my best friend works. This is what the inside looks like. It's so cute and cozy. This is me thinking I was the only one in the tattoo shop. And here's Serene, my best friend since high school. This is me before. Here's my old tattoo. I have a matching one with Serene. She actually did it when I was 19. Serene's drawing my roses. She roughly hand drew it on. Okay, here goes nothing. I actually have a high pain tolerance, so it wasn't too bad for me. Most tattoos suck though. I love pain. She's tattooing a little butterfly here. Some shading and color correcting. This took 3 hours. We took no breaks. And ta-da! Look how pretty it is. Look how good it looks. You can't even tell I had a tattoo before. She covered it up so good. Thanks, Serene.